So it's a wonderful day out. It's not even raining that bad anymore.
Yeah.
We still have to shut that gate. Look it, it's raining.
We can't get all wet and then go back in the house.
This is us standing in the garage.
Right.
It actually slowed down from when I went in to get the camera though.
Wait until it starts pouring, then we'll run out.
So Carly,
Yeah.
wearing your Crocs. You're cool.
I just put on my Crocs. This sounds boring. I don't know.
When it starts raining, we'll all have to run to the gate and shut it and close it. And yeah. I can't.
Carly, yeah. Okay, the water's like running down inside. Well, look, I never noticed on my garage door is like that. See, there's like that little crack thing. I don't even think you can open it anymore. You can. Yeah, you can, but you have to, like, it's a pull up and down.
Okay, it's not even raining anymore. What is this? I'll have to put this on YouTube, right? Piece of shit garage. It's a garage. It's a garage. Look at this nail. It's cool.
What nail?
That nail, Carly.
Yeah.
Carly? Absolutely not, please. Thank you. Should we go close the gate now that it's not even raining?
Let's go close the gate. My camera's almost dead. I'll put it in the charger when I get inside.
Look at all this water. See, look at it's raining out. Carly, calm yourself. No, don't even. Do you got her, Megan? Should I jump in this puddle?
Oh yeah.
Should I?
Don't! You can't come down, snow.
Carly! KOL. Oh, I accidentally put your camera in the water. Shit. Oh, shit, I did it. Shit. Okay. Are you going downstairs? Can't even see anything. Hi, Tucker. So that was fun in the pouring rain.
Here, I got my charger so that we can put it on charge while we're sitting there.
Okay. Say goodbye, Megan.